Start by placing your grout plant on cribbing. This elevates the unit to keep it off the ground and level while also avoiding grout from building up around it. We recommend plugging the fork pockets with sponges to keep grout from building up inside of them. Before grouting, we also recommend spraying down the equipment with Glaze It to aid in the cleaning process later. Check all hydraulic hoses for visible damage. Also check the engine fuel level and engine oil. Check the hydraulic fluid level using the external sight gauge located on the side of the hydraulic tank. Make sure all cleanout doors are in place and tightly sealed to the mixed tank and pump tank. Connect the recirculation hoses to the top of the valve tree and to the bottom of the pump. Also check to make sure all controls on the operator control panel are in the off position. Take the key located in the operations manual box and start up the engine. Bring the engine up to full RPMs. Hook up your water source to the water inlet and turn on the valve. Set your water batches by using the slide handle on the side of the water tank. Once the tank reaches the desired water level, it will start to overflow. Pull open the water valve to dump your water batch into the mix tank. Next, turn on the mixer lever on the control panel to start up the mill and create a vortex in the mix tank. Now you are ready to add your powder using the top of the mix tank fill cone. Once your grout is fully mixed, you are ready to transfer your mix over to the pump tank by pushing the pinch hose assembly to the transfer position. Once the material is transferred over to the pump tank, pull the pinch hose lever back over to the mixing position. Now that your mix is in the pump tank, turn on the pump using the pump lever on the control panel. Set your pump speed with the control flow dial on the side of the lever. This allows for continuous recirculation to not let your mix harden in the tank. Push the handle out to begin discharging your mix out of the tank. After discharging your last grout batch out of the machine, begin the cleanout process by filling both tanks with water. Let this water circulate and mix throughout the entire system for a few minutes to loosen up the grout. During this stage, make sure the water cleans out all the hoses. Switch between recirculating and pumping to clear out the valve tree thoroughly. Also, let water flow through the pinch hose assembly to clear out all the grout out of the hoses. Be sure to look for areas where grout can build up. This includes the underside of the mix tank and the water discharge outlet. You may want to use a brush or pressure washer to loosen any grout stuck to the insides of the tank. Pump the water out of the tanks and repeat this process until the water being pumped out is clear. Unscrew the recirculation hoses from the pump and valve tree. Remove the grout basket and rinse it out. Remove the cleanout doors from the mix tank and pump tank. Remove the mixer drain plug at the end of each day to ensure the mixer is fully drained. To prevent ice buildup and protect the valve housing, leave the water valve partially open. Lastly, spray down the equipment with Speedy Clean to dissolve any grout deposits. Be sure to rinse the machine periodically inside and out to prevent grout buildup.